Okay, welcome right class into this process. So I'm just gonna start the video right now. So here I have this 500 times 500 pixels PFP I'm going to make for one of my customers right here. So yeah, you see that Buzz 2305 girl. So I'm gonna make a PFP for her. And now I'll start by doing the sketch. If you can see, I have this thing. Wait, I have this thing right here. I'm moving it along. Now, if you don't know how to get this, you can just go here. I'm tapping this thing here in the bottom. And you'll see this. Double puck. I'm gonna tap it. So tap it, go off, tap it, it'll go on. And so you can just easily turn this off and just reach for your materials here. I'll turn this black for the outline. And I'm not going to use this fountain pen. I usually use it for coloring. I usually use this technical pen for outlining and stuff. And now I'll turn down, wait, I'll just keep this up for the while. So yeah, so I'll just turn this on. I'm going to just sketch her pose for the while. I'm going to do like the chibi art style I have. She's going to be doing a 3/4 view. And, like a slouching pose. Like a slouching pose, yeah. Kind of like that. Wait. And I'm going to make her do the peace hand sign pose. That's just going to be a quick sketch. And she's going to, this is her eyes right here, and she's going to be looking at us. And yeah, that's all. That's going to be a sketch for a while. And now we're done with the sketching. I'll put the outlining in another video.